Have you ever paid extra customs duty? One of my client has overpaid crores of customs duty by mistake and realized after one whole year. These mistakes in customs duty can affect your business in two ways. If you overpay customs duty, it will block your funds, and if you underpay customs duty, it will lead to penalties. Either ways, it will have a big impact on your profits. I'm Pradeep Reddy, a chartered accountant with over 10 years of experience in customs duty, VAT, and GST. Over the years, I had the privilege of working with businesses of various sizes, helping them resolve their tax disputes, help them claim refunds, and handle tricky situations like exemptions and classifications. In this video, I'll explain step-by-step procedure to claim refund of excess customs duty paid. Watch till the end of this video to get a free ebook on how to handle a customs classification dispute. Error in payment of customs duty usually happens for three reasons. 1. Failure to claim exemption notifications. 2. Incorrect valuation. And 3. Incorrect classification. If you have ever paid extra customs duty because of any of these three reasons, you need to check the number of days from the date of bill of entry. If the number of days from the bill of entry is less than 60 days, then you can file an appeal before the Commissioner Appeals in terms of section 128 of the Customs Act. If the number of days from the bill of entry is more than 60 days, you can seek an amendment of bill of entry in terms of section 149 of the Customs Act. So now let's understand what is the procedure to file an appeal before the Commissioner Appeals in terms of section 128 of the Customs Act. A bill of entry is an order of assessment under section 47 of the Customs Act. Therefore, it's a valid order against which an appeal can be filed under section 128 of the Act. These are the steps you should follow when you choose appeal route. File an appeal before the Customs Authority seeking the reassessment of bill of entry. If you are not sure who is your Customs Authority, then check with your CHR customs broker. If the appeal is approved, the Commissioner Appeals will send back the case to the Customs Authority for reassessment. The Customs Authority will reassess and confirm the fact of excess payment of customs duty. Once reassessed, file an application for refund of customs duty. In case the appeal is rejected by the Commissioner Appeals, file an appeal before SESTAT for further resolution. This whole process may take minimum of 6 months to 1 year. If 60 days have passed from the date of bill of entry, then you can seek an amendment of bill of entry in terms of section 149. So, Section 149 allows amendment of bill of entry based on documentary evidence which existed at the time of import. For example, if you have imported a product worth $10,000, however, your CHA has declared the value of such product as $1 lakh by mistakenly, then we can make an application for amendment of bill of entry because there exists a documentary evidence, which is the invoice in this case, which says the value of the goods is $10,000 but not $1 lakh. In such a case, usually the amendment applications are accepted by the customs authorities. If the amendment application is approved, the customs authority will pass a speaking order and reassess the bill of entry, confirming the fact that there has been an excess payment of customs duty. Once it is reassessed, file an application for refund of customs duty. If the request for amendment is rejected unfairly, then you can approach a high court through a writ petition. Alternatively, you can file an appeal before the Commissioner Appeals against such rejection of amendment application. Two important points to note. One, there is no timeline to file an application for amendment of bill of entry in terms of section 149. Two, every importer can choose either an amendment of bill of entry under section 149 or an appeal under section 128 of the Customs Act. This has been held time and again by the Supreme Court. The notable cases in this context are ITC Limited and Sony India case. If you find this video useful, follow me for more such videos. As promised, you can download the ebook containing step-by-step guide on how to handle a customs classification dispute from the description below and the pinned comment. See you in the next video.